Very good morning, dear traders and investors. Hope you are doing great. Last week, Nifty Future had a great rally on Friday after the reactions of Eurozone bailout. Now, Nifty Future has a major resistance level around 5500 and 5700. On the downside, the support levels are 5235 and 5150. Technically, Nifty Future had made a double bottom near the lows of 4720 and it had a breakout above 5175 for the target of 5625. So short-term traders should adopt the strategy on buying on dips. They should wait for the reaction for a day or two after the Monday opening, and if the trend remains bullish, one should adopt the strategy of buying on dips because Nifty is giving signals of short-term trend reversals. Akansha, what's your view on stocks?
Hello traders. The stock for the next week is Renuka Sugars. It is currently looking strong on charts as it has successfully taken support at lower levels and is trying to recover from last few trading sessions. It is currently trading above its 10 days and 50 days moving average with 54.21 RSI on daily charts. If it manages to sustain above the level of 58, we may expect an up rally in this stock. So one could go for long positions in this stock above the level of 59 for the targets of 61 and 63 with a strict SL at 56.30. Now Parkesh would continue for commodities.
Thank you. Good morning traders. The commodity shall recommend for the next week is crude oil. Crude oil is technically making lower tops, so I would suggest traders to go for selling on higher levels. If next week crude oil sustains below 4500, then it can test the level of 4410 and 4320. And if it does not break the level of 4600 on the upside, the next commodity is lead. Lead is technically consolidating on charts. So for the next week, I will recommend sellers to go for buying on lower level strategy. If next week lead sustains above 100, then above 102 it can test the level of 104 and 105.50. Trade with strict stop loss. Thank you.
Thank you, Parkesh. Thank you, Akansha. And a special thanks to all the viewers. Have a great trading week.